And the story of Nicholas continues. Stephanie Whitfield has been checking out damage in southwest Houston.
And like many parts of town, downed trees are the biggest issue today.
I think a lot of people were bracing for street flooding to be a big issue last night and this morning. That really wasn't the case. Instead, it was the wind that kept everyone up last night. And today, we can see why.
A windy night led to a noisy morning in Bel Air. Tropical storm Nicholas damaged trees, which then damaged property.
But I suspected something like that was going to happen. It was so loud and the wind was so powerful, so I knew something was going to happen, but I didn't think it was my tree. I thought maybe the neighbor's tree, but not mine.
Most people in southwest Houston also woke up to a lot of debris in their streets. 2 trees fell within a few blocks of each other in West University.
Thank God, it's only a tree. My house is still good. All the trees are fine. You know, it's just that one tree, which is okay.
Now Houstonians are doing what so many have done before, cleaning up and moving forward.
There's definitely some work to do out here today, but neighbors aren't complaining. They tell me they're just glad it wasn't worse. In Westview, Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.